Hello students, today Mrs. J is going to review the 4-step problem solving strategy called CASE. You've learned this in 4th grade last year. I would like to review it again with you because I expect you to use it when you solve word problems. The first step in CASE is C, comprehend. In this step, you read the question carefully and carefully think about what is the question asking you to find. So you underline the question and circle the important details from the question. Step 2 is to analyze. In this step, you reread the question to find the important details, and then you organize or represent the details. I would like you to use strip diagram, but I understand that you didn't use that extensively in the earlier years, so I'm going to explain it to you in the next slide. The third step is to solve the problem. Here is where you show how you actually solving the problems, the calculation, writing the equation, and stuff like that. The fourth step is to evaluate. Reread the questions. Make sure that your answer makes sense. Write your answer in a complete sentence. Okay, the way I think a problem is like this. Normally, I look at a word problem. I'm thinking, okay, do I have the total or not? If yes, I have the total, that means you need to find the parts. If you don't have the total, that means you have to find the total itself. And then if the answer is yes, you need to look at, is it an equal part or not equal part? If it is equal parts, like if you know the total is 28 and the question is how much is in each one, you know, in that case you need to divide. Okay, this is the sign for dividing, slash, or this divide, or fraction. Fraction, this line in the fractions mean to divide. If you don't have equal parts, normally you have to subtract. Now let's go here. Okay, if you don't have the total, that's when your question is find the total of something. Then if you have an equal parts here, and in each one you have the same amount, that's when you multiply. Of course, you can also add the 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is the same as 4 groups of 7 or 4 times 7. In this case, if you don't have the same parts or you don't have equal parts, like for example, you spend $19 and you have $9 left, what was the beginning amount? Then you need to add the 19 and 9 to find the total amount. Okay, so that's the framework, and I'm going to show you some examples in the next video.